It's like, ooh, wait, it's like a spicy strawberry, like a warm. That's good. That is really good. I don't even know what to describe that as, but it's really good. Wow. Ira, would you like to explain why you're not over here instead in my chair where my laptop is literally set up to use? I haven't read the textbook yet, but I somehow know what the hell I'm doing. I'm gonna tell you what I've done so far. So the first one was find the counterexample to show that the following statement is false. It says if a number is multiplied by itself, the result is even. That's the statement. My counterexample, my options were, this is also for quantitative reasoning. The counterexample, your options were 4 times 4 is 16. That would prove the statement to be true, which is why it's wrong. 6 plus 6 is 12. Again, proves the statement to be true. 3 times 5 equals 15. While that's correct, it's not the answer because it says you have to multiply the number by itself. 3 and 5 are not the same, so therefore you have to rule out that answer. So therefore the remaining one is 5 times 5 equals 25. Those two are same numbers multiplied by each other, however equals an odd number, so that means that is the answer, the counterexample to prove that the statement is false. Okay, and then the pattern ones was identify a pattern in the given list of numbers. So an easy one was 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. My answer was 20. I got all the patterns right on the first try. Why I said it was 20? Because 5 plus 3 equals 8, 8 plus 3 equals 11, 11 plus 3, da da da. Then this one, I was like, it's not hard, but I had to figure out what they wanted. So this is one where I cannot explain what the pattern is, but I could answer it. I don't think I did it right to get this answer, but I got it on the first try. 11. 27 plus 11, 38. Boom. And then you add 2 more to 11 and da da da, you get your answer. 51. Boom. Answered it. Yeah. If I can get rid of 5 homework assignments, because we have 1 assignment a week, that would be beautiful because then I can focus on my other assignments. So then I don't have to worry about my math assignments until after that. So I'm like, say less. Class starts on Monday and I'm working ahead because it's only the 17th. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, I'm kind of stressed, but like I have a podcast going on in the background. I'm doing it. I'm in my zone. So yeah. I was broke. I feel like you got me to overflow. Heading out to classes early. Can't hear myself. I'm going to classes early so I can go get coffee. I had food. I'm going to get coffee. Wigs. Y'all, look at my eye. Is this kind of a lazy eye? Because look, I'm looking straight. Okay, we're gonna use some of my The Body Shop tea tree. I have a bunch of cleansers. I alternate. So tonight we're using tea tree. I normally switch them out because I know you probably shouldn't do that, but I only switch out the ones I trust the most. So it's cool, right? I do want to get some pink juice moisturizer. Working it. I just let it absorb, honestly. But the rest of the products look great. Okay, we're gonna blend that in. And of course there is residue of the succinic acid, but I do little small bumps on my face, so I don't really mind if it gets moved around, but it normally stays in place. That's so crazy. Not crazy, it's just cool. Bring it down to the neck. Peach and Lily, I think it's like glass skin refining serum. Yes, that's exactly what it is. I've really been working on getting glass skin, or like a better skin. Like, you know how, like, if my skin could look like this, part of my face everywhere, I would love that. Just like really luminous, like a doll almost, just really like flawless, smooth, shiny but not oily, and just like goals. That'd be fine. But like, she's bright though. She's bright. And then you pair it with the matcha pudding antioxidant cream. Basically, it's like moisturizing your skin and also protects the layer, if I'm correct, or like the barrier. Also, if you didn't know, matcha and like green tea itself is a great, if I'm correct, detoxifier or cleansers. I imagine it's doing a lot. But it literally feels like pudding, by the way. It feels like if you were to dip your finger, it's so smooth going on. Like, and it smells literally like a green tea mask. It smells like heaven. But yeah. And your face just smells good. My face smells like green tea and watermelon. And no makeup and I'm alive. I'm not gonna say another thing in mine, because what the fuck? My intrusive thoughts should never come out, because who thinks of that? I need to stop watching Criminal Minds. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, I'm not going to bed. I'm gonna do homework. I don't want to be there too early. I don't want to be there super late because I gotta walk. Okay, it's 1:10. If I leave by 1:30, I get there in like 10 minutes. Latest, I'm gonna leave at 1:40 so I can take time to chill and prepare mentally. Yeah, like let's see if I got my coffee. It's now day 3 of my hellhole. I've walked, I think, 5 miles in the last 3 days. I've stood for about 12 or 13 hours, apparently. I've had 2 coffees homemade, 1 made, which is an accomplishment for me because normally I make I normally buy all my coffees, but I'm actually using my bar cart for my coffees. I'm using the coffee station properly now. Now are the meals consistent? Absolutely not. We're eating less and we're stressed and we're tired. And we're depressed. Eating less, stressed, depressed. That's my life. That's not good. But yeah, I don't have my camera on me like that, so we're doing our recording through these phones. If you want to know how shameful my meals are, I'm eating a leftover Chick-fil-A breakfast biscuit. Only half of it's missing a bun with 2 microwavable dumplings. They're not even microwavable, they're supposed to be air fried, but I put them in the microwave. And a coffee. And for brunch, technically, at like 11 o'clock, not even 11, I had a ramen cup. And a sip of an energy drink. And for dinner, we're having a meal prep we made last week. Alright, cheers, bitches. So now I'm gonna study, I gotta do homework, and then I gotta get mail from the mail room, so I'm gonna do that too. But yeah, that's how my life is going right now, because I realized I haven't spoken recently. This is how the elevator's supposed to be functioning. Why the fuck was I in a flickering one? That is so horrifying. Hey y'all, it's dark over here. It's Friday night. It's literally about to be, Thursday night. It's about to be Friday night in like a couple minutes. I'm noticeably drained, I feel. I cannot imagine if I actually had a job. I wanted a job so bad this semester, because I worked last semester and the semesters prior. But, I don't think I would be able to actually. I have to read about 30 pages every Monday and Wednesday for one class, and then my other classes, they can range between 10 to 15 chapters. This is one class again on my Monday, Wednesdays. It could be 1 to 15 chapters. It could be 20 pages. The world is my oyster. I also have to prepare for exams. I do moot trials for one class, like mock trials basically, or moot court mock trials. So that's happening. I'm starting to understand, I'm trying to remember why I liked online classes better, because I can't function anyways online classes. It takes me a while to actually function and pay attention. It makes me want to concentrate, and then I have a lot of racing thoughts, which is not good in in-person classes, because when my professors are talking to me or the class, I tend to zone out, and then like one word they say can make me zone out into a whole nother conversation in my head, and then I'm gone. And I don't know if they can tell sometimes, but I be in here for like what feels like minutes, which could be seconds or actual minutes, and then it gets so bad sometimes I don't know if I'm saying my thoughts out loud or not, so that I'm like, oh god. And then also my anxiety, I start thinking they're staring at me, because sometimes my professors will look in my direction, but I forget there's people who are possibly behind me, and I'm like, why are you looking at me? Why are you directing your words to me when they probably aren't? Or they are, but that makes it worse if they are. And I have a concert tomorrow as I'm filming, well, now today, because it's Friday now, And I'm so done with life mentally. I don't even want to go to the concert because I'm tired and I'm sore. Like, I wanted to go to the concert, but I'm so sore physically. It hurts to stand. It barely feels nice sitting. My legs fucking hurt, and I hurt. I've been taking hot showers, I've been doing soaks, and I'm still in pain. My brain hurts mentally. Yeah, so my life's a lot. It's a lot, and it could always be worse. That's the terrible thing. It could always be worse. But on the bright side, no, another negative. I had to buy another textbook and then an essay book for, like, you know, blue book to do essays in. I had to buy one of those. I have to pay $50 for another textbook. I'm annoyed I paid for one textbook and then got the free PDF link after, so that's fucking annoying. I actually hate adulting. I hate this. I'm really tired. I just want to marry rich and die. That's so bad. But yeah, let's see if it gets better today. And that's, yeah.